Kandyonchrome out here live, baby. LowLyfe Picnic, baby. Yes, sir. Man, the whole crew. Everybody came out today. 27 years, baby. 27 years we've been doing this down south. Homestead, baby. Always down south. LowLyfe, baby.
Here, son. A bag of potato chips. Everybody potato chipping today.
Hi, my name is Georjahj. You can find me at Georjahj on Instagram. I'm here at the LowLyfe car show. I'm hanging out, having a good time, watching the hops, and enjoying myself.
Hit that shit. Hit it.
I'm looking for that green Regal though. Oh shit. From CA, where's it at?
Been there for years, man. Been doing this shit since Miami swinging, niggas. You feel what I'm saying? That's what we do. East Coast Rider, real East Coast Rider land.
What's up, Kandyonchrome? How you doing? This Dangerous Whips. We're gonna be back again March 9th at Amelia LR Park. So I hope to see you there.
Bigger than before, right?
Yeah, I got a lot of major support, so I'm ready.
Hey, if you got any advice to tell people that missed your last show, what would it be?
Bring your ass. Bring your ass.
Hey man, tell me a little about Red's Miami.
Red's Miami, what, the oldest shop around that's still open? That's what I'm talking about, right? We've done it all, from lowriders to building truck wheels to like building all the most insane stuff that anybody's ever seen.
Hey Willie, he was just at 82, now he's at 75. This shit playing trick, though. Hey, you want to do nothing mine? You want to go nothing mine? You want to go nothing? Let's do it. You want me? Red. Green Regal though.
Oh shit.
From CA, where's it at? Exactly, boy.
So
What's up?
Where's the chrome?
Pull up.
Where's the chrome and all that shit? You calling
Pull
out
up,
CA
dog.
like that, dog? Where's the chrome on that shit, dog?
I don't give a fuck, nigga. Get on my level, nigga. Hop that shit,
Hop
bitch.
that shit.
Nigga, fuck out of here, bruh.
Rookie shit here.
This nigga had no
Dog,
idea.
the Green Regal was this level, dog. Thinking a superstar, dog. You got one. Hey, wasn't that a CA car? Wasn't this a CA car?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought there was a CA car before, right? All right. I'm calling out homeboy, dog.
Yo, that shit's sugar-free candy?
Sugar-free candy for your ass there.
That's sugar-free, right?
marihuana, fuma marihuana,